Hi, it's Mark Homan from Paul's Photo, and I wanted to share with you one of my secret squirrel tips. Now, for years, I've used and loved the Nikon 500mm 5.6. Now, this is a 52-ounce 500mm lens that's awesome, but it's an F-mount. I have fallen in love with the brand new 400mm 4.5 lens for the Nikon Z mount. And I love this lens. It's a little over 40 ounces. You can see that it's small, it's lightweight. It's about the same size, same length as the 70 to 200 2.8 or the 100 to 400 zoom, but I love it. And it's a fraction the weight. This is a little over 40 ounces. This is 50 ounces. So this is truly a handheld 400mm long telephoto lens. It works awesome with the Z 1.4 and 2x extenders, giving you effectively 600 or 800 millimeters. Now, people ask me, so Mark, we know your favorite telephoto lens is the 400 2.8, and it is, because I love 400 millimeters. I use 400 for sports like baseball or football, not even just for the game action, but even for portraits on the sidelines. I love 400 for wildlife. Now, I know some people are going to say, well, I want a longer lens. The advantage of using a 400 is it's a small, lightweight lens that you can add a 1.4 or a 2x extender. This is from the recent polar bear trips, 400 at 400 as the bear was walking close to us. Or here, the elephants from Africa, 400, the animal walking close to us. So I love a 400 lens. This is 400 with a 1.4 extender from Africa. And that's an option you have. Am I going to get rid of my 400 2.8? No way, I love that lens. But there are times when I can't carry the 400 2.8. Many of you can't afford $13,000, but you can afford, $3,000 plus for this amazing 400mm 2.8. I have a number of great customers who are using this lens for sports and wildlife photography like I do. They again love the 400mm focal length like I do. And this is a sweet, pocketable, not pocketable, but it's going to fit in your regular camera bag. You don't need a tripod or a monopod. You can hand hold it. And for $3,249, there's not a better deal on the planet for those of us doing sports and wildlife photography. Or if you're adventuring into long lens landscape photography, which I dearly love, having a 400mm lens that's this size, that is pocketable, lightweight, hand-holdable, is a game changer. And I like changing the game and making better pictures. Mark Homan from Paul's Photo. If you want this lens, give me a call or go online to paulsphoto.com and we'll get you taken care of. Have a great day. Merry Christmas. Happy New Year to everyone, and get out and shoot with a 400mm lens.